YouTube? What's happening, y'all, kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Go Weezy. Weezy, baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with another video for y'all, man. Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome everybody back to the channel, man. Now, before we get started, you guys already see the title. Every time I get one of these guys' sneakers, man, I'm just ecstatic because I love the stories that his sneakers tell. His sneakers always tell stories about African-American culture, black culture, and dog. I love it, man. Like, I am unapologetically black. Like, I love y'all just know it, man. I love my black skin. I love my swag. I love everything about being black, man. I love the stories this guy has set with each sneaker that he has. But anyway, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I put out. You feel me? We hit 3K, man, a couple weeks ago, and I appreciate everybody for coming through and supporting your boy, man, because for those of you that know me, y'all know I'm busy and I'm still trying to do the YouTube thing. Like, I ain't really been putting stuff out there, but just to have y'all support in my busyness, man, that shows a lot about you guys. I am humble and I love you guys for real, man. But other than that, let's get to it. Hey, here we have it. Oh, we got the box. Now, I did hit on the IG Joe Freshgoods shops. I did hit on that. All right, so I got my packing slip shipped to Detrick Smith, my real name. Joe Freshgoods, Chicago, Illinois. Ooh, October 24th. So y'all know that was the day after my birthday. This is my birthday sneaker, y'all. Whew. And here we have it. Finally, a retail one, y'all. Well, this is my second retail one. But y'all see that box, that made in America box. Check this out, y'all. Ooh. All right, so like I said, we got this cream color box. This box is definitely similar to the made in USA boxes with New Balances. And up on the side here, it does have the Joe Freshgoods branding. Ooh-wee. Made in America with the American flag. All right, performance art. Like y'all know how Joe does. Ooh-wee. Oh my God. Y'all see this? Can y'all see it? Ooh, look at it, look at it. Look at that thing. Don't worry about my ashy hands. Just look at that thing right there. Ooh. Boy, these things right here tough, boy. Ooh. Look at that. Precision. That's perfect. That's precision right there. That is perfect. Ooh. But let's go ahead and talk about these, man. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is the 4th or 5th collab. I want to say it's the 4th. I don't know if they're counting the conversation amongst us. I do have those in there. But I think this is the 4th collab between New Balance and Joe Freshgoods. This is the 993 Performance Art Powder Pink. Now, this silhouette came with 2 other colorways, the Sage Green and the Arctic Blue. I definitely went after these. I didn't even know these were only exclusive to Instagram when these released. So these are an exclusive pair. The Arctic Blue and the Sage Green, they only came out at the store every now and then and on New Balance's website. So I'm kind of glad I got an exclusive pair. And I feel like everybody probably went after these, but I did get the alerts. I keep my alerts on Joe Freshgoods page and was able to check out successfully. I know when the 9060 pair dropped, the Penny Pink Cookie and the Baby Powder Blue on the IG website with the IG app, that kind of crashed everything. Like, that was a crazy day. But I did end up getting my pink Penny Cookie off the GOAT app. I hate I had to go through GOAT, but I sold some stuff that I didn't want and I was able to get it. But let's go ahead and talk about this sneaker. Let's go ahead and get into details of the Joe Freshgoods New Balance 993 Powder Pink. Now we do have our pink insole. Got that pink insole with Joe Freshgoods New Balance Performance Art. All right, so they originally released on October 17th, retailing for $220. I think after taxes and shipping, it was around, I ended up spending around $250. Like I said, I'm kind of glad I got these for a retail joint, man, retail pricing. But it's crazy because this sneaker right here is crazy, dog. Like, we all know, like, the Dope Boys back in the day, my DC fam, all my fam in DC, they really kind of put New Balance on the map. You know, you got your 990s, the gray joints, DC, Baltimore, Maryland, all those guys, the gray 990s. Then you got the 993s, and you know, they always came in that, they always came in like a black or that gray colorway, man. Like, they the secondary dope runners. You know, the 95 Air Maxes, that's the original dope runner, but these right here, yeah, man, this is the secondary dope runner. All right, but getting into quick details, the outsole is colored in that powder pink colorway right there, and it does have the cream along the forefoot, that cream little line right there. And getting into the midsole is Absorb DTS with that cream, and you have a darker powder pink colorway up along that heel. All right, now heading into the upper. Now this sneaker consists of mesh, suede, and nubuck. Along the toe cap right here, that toe cap is sueded out. Show y'all that booty backstroke motion. That is freaking crazy on the toe cap. And in the toe box, we do have our mesh toe box right here. Oh my God. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Heading up along the New Balance logo, the end, some more booty backstroke motion. That is that nubuck, that whoo. Head to the lace eyelets. We do have our suede lace eyelets. Also getting up into the tongue right here, that tongue, we do have our mesh tongue. And on the outside, we do have our suede embroidered in New Balance, made in the USA 993. And it's heading down to that mesh. And now heading into the back, you do have your JFG, Joe Freshgoods branding with that American flag inside. Y'all see that? And it does come with an extra set of laces. So factory lace with that cream factory lace, and we do have our extra set of pink laces right here. Now I do like the cream laces. I think I'm gonna end up keeping it with the cream laces, man. I got a couple fits in mind, man. Got a couple of them things, you feel me? Now, I know this sneaker does have 3M on it. Up here along the back heel is 3M. And I know the New Balance logo is 3M. And it's crazy with this sneaker, man, because like I said, Joe Freshgoods and New Balance, they always hit, dog. Like, it goes without a shot of a doubt. Like, these are a wonderful sneaker. Like, Joe Freshgoods, New Balance, man. They like Shaq and Penny, Shaq and Kobe. Like, they don't miss, you feel me? Dynamic duo, Batman and Robin, you feel me? But I'm gonna read this tag for y'all on this sneaker, man. It says performance art made to wear well. Performance art is a form of expression that was born as an alternative artistic manifestation. It can be in front of your face or on your body. Movements determined by the artist as presented to the public is performance art. The 990 series started as a sophisticated running shoe with the goal of being the best running shoe of all time. As that was happening, we noticed that not all people wearing them were runners. We just wanted to look good and feel comfortable. Made for us, the beauty of art is not all things are intended to be what they are made for. We take it and we make it our own. So like I was saying earlier, that goes to back to that African American culture, that black culture. You know, we take things and we kind of make it look good. We swag it out, you feel me? I know swag is like I don't like to use the word swag, but we definitely swag that thing out, you feel me? But I'm gonna give y'all some quick B-roll. I might give y'all an on foot, so be surprised if you get an on foot, man. Y'all know I usually don't do on foots. I don't feel like getting no outfits out, man. That's just me being lazy. But I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll, probably on foot, and we gonna jump back. All right, man, I appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with your boy. Once again, we have the Joe Freshgoods New Balance 993. This is the powder pink colorway. Y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. This was one of the ones I want, and I might get these. I might go and get the sage green on the aftermarket, man. I really might. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about them, man. But once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace, and all this beef, throw some chicken grease on that thing. We out.